Guys, the storm has begun. Believe me? My goodness. This is just awful. Just awful. By the way, that's the washing machine if you're just wondering. Holy cow. That's starting to happen! Okay. I'm not gonna go too close because I don't want to get wet. Holy cow. Like, yeah, I think I should. Okay. Oh gosh. I'm going inside. In 1, 2. My goodness. Holy crap. I don't think you can see. No. Oh my gosh, I can actually see it. That's how bad it is. Mind moves, no, but I wanted the heat wave to stop. I mean, like, wow, I didn't think it would stop like this. By the way, I don't like heat waves at all. I'm at the window of my bathroom. Well, not my bathroom, the upstairs bathroom. Okay. Gosh. I'm gonna close this window just in case the storm gets worse, because there's a high possibility of maybe thunder and lightning. So, to risk getting hurt, I'm just going to, sorry, I'm just being very careful, and there we go, and, he decides to cooperate this time. Yay!